Lambros, it's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambro Steve. That's Evil Mercy. That's Evil Mercy. We're in the snow. We're at the Burlington Ford, and my car's not doing so hot. It's day 2 of our travels to Corsa Rally, and I'm hopping in the Aventador because we think we're gonna get a flatbed to come get us and take us to Denver, but we had to go test the roads out a little bit. So James has all kinds of sounds and lights going off here, but we don't know what's wrong with this car, but we're gonna try to get on the road. Here we go. This is an Aventador in the snow, and I have a feeling James just don't care. What the?
Oh, I care. I care a lot.
We're going like 50 miles an hour, and it's solid sheet of snow, and there's a red light. What is wrong with you?
Everything.
Oh my God!
Hey, I wish we would have got you trying. I did get an actual video of you trying.
You got me trying to get my car, but I kept hitting that one spot. If I would have got out and be able to see that was like a little ice spot right there, you just were able to observe where the spot was. I was trying to do it in my car and it wasn't working. But I just did a U just did. But we're gonna go. Are we gonna go to the highway?
Yeah, we're gonna get on the highway. But I'm giving you a demonstration how bad these roads are. This is all-wheel drive.
I know, but you're about to end up in the ditch.
No,
why are you going so fast?
I'm not going fast.
Yes, you are.
You're going. This is the posted speed limit.
You're going 40 miles an hour in the snow for no
freaking posted speed limit.
Slow the fuck down.
Hey, if there was a back seat, you would be in it.
Oh my God, bro.
No seatbelt? You're talking to me.
I know, but I didn't know you were gonna go 50 miles an hour in the snow. Jesus Christ. Good. Okay.
It ain't easy.
Whoa.
Easy.
Guys, this is stupid. Do not do this.
I'm showing you the difference between all-wheel drive and
there's no difference. We don't have a two-wheel drive. No one's going to see the difference. I know, but I'm the only one that knows.
That's why you're so gun shy right now.
Because
you've been sliding all over that two-wheel
drive.
Oh
my God.
I'm much more comfortable with an all-wheel drive. Hey, by the way, I was actually, I grew up in Alaska. I told you. I proved it this morning. It's all about knowing how to drive on roads. Bad road conditions.
Oh my God.
Black ice is impossible to drive. I don't care what you drive.
It's like, but let's go see if the highway's clear. That's what we're gonna do. Oh God. Oh God. We're trying to get up the ramp. We may not. This may be it, guys.
This is just ice. It's just ice underneath snow. See how I'm staying in the snow there? That's all ice on this side. This is snow. I'm getting better traction over here. This isn't bad. It's a little squirrely, but it's all right.
We're gonna wreck. Oh my God. Oh.
What do I always say? It's not the destination.
It's the journey.
That's right.
It's not the destination. It's the journey.
That's right.
This is
being a Lamborghini owner.
This is what it looks like.
No, actually, there's Lamborghini owners and there's Lamborghini drivers.
Yeah.
So if you're going to drive a Lamborghini in Colorado in the middle of winter on black ice, this is what it's like.
So you're not going to drive your car?
Well, I kind of felt bad because the guy needs the money. He's like, man, I really need this close to Christmas. I've got kids. This is really like heaven sent. And I mean, it touched me. It really did. Now this is the test because we're on ice.
He's so full of crap. You are so full of crap. That guy did not say that. What a liar. You're a liar.
All right, let's see what an all-wheel drive does on solid sheet of ice on a hill. Now here's the thing. This is what I was trying. This is what you were doing wrong earlier. You're like just gunning it and spinning. What you do is you put it in low and let this thing just creep out of gear. Just creep on out. Creep out of gear. Not this.
Oh God.
So you just gotta let it creep out of gear.
I think we can make a right and be right back there. Don't you think?
Yeah.
All right, so that's the shenanigans, guys. I don't know if there will be anything new today with the trucks, the cars getting on the flatbed or what, but we're in Burlington, Colorado.
Coat Factory, Colorado.
Burlington Coat Factory, Colorado, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we won't crash, but I have to stop filming because I feel like James is trying to kill me. So make sure you, if you like our shenanigans, drop a like on this video. Oh God, subscribe and turn on. Oh God dang. and turn on notifications. Dude, stop! We'll see you in the next video. Dude!